Hi, my name is Patrick. The basic idea of this video is to explain to you how the CAT math workshop that we are going to conduct will help improve your score. So what is going to be taught in the workshop? So let's understand that I don't think your scores will improve or you can crack the exam by focusing on difficult sums. So the focus is not on difficult sums. Because ideally, you should learn to leave difficult sums in the exam and focus on the easy and the medium sums. So not the focus of the workshop is not at all to focus on difficult sums. Okay, the focus will be to teach you methods where you can solve the easy and moderate sums quickly. If you can save time on it and if you're really good, then you can go about difficult sums. But the key is to solve the easier sums in a faster method. That will help you to solve more questions and that will help you to score more. The key is to identify the easy questions and try to solve in a minimum possible time. So that is the basic focus of the workshop as far as possible. So if I'm looking at improving the marks in the con section, okay, the key is try to find approaches because CAT has a very different approach than normal mathematical approach that people follow. If you can learn the right approach, you can definitely solve more number of questions. That means the step would be to learn the right approaches, and that's what the workshop is all about. We look at number of approaches and how those approaches can be used to solve different sums. As far as if you can pick up a few of the approaches, it may help you to solve a few more questions as far as the exam is concerned. Also, we look at how to solve things faster. So methods. So you must be solving in a particular method. So is there a method where you can help you solve faster? Okay. So if you can solve more sums and you can solve the existing sum faster, definitely you can improve your marks. And that is what the focus of this workshop is all about. Anyway, even if you don't join the workshop, focus on these areas. Try to look at the right approach to solve more questions because remember, CAT has a different approach to solve questions, and look at ways to solve things faster. So most sums in CAT can be easily solved with different approach. I mean, if you look at my solutions for the CAT 20, CAT 19, CAT 18, which are there on the portal, on the YouTube channel, you will realize that yes, most of the question can be solved by simple methods which are there. And that's what is the focus of this question. This will not take those sums, we'll take different type of sums, but we'll look at the approaches of solving sums, and that's what the focus is. And if you learn approaches that are relevant to CAT, I mean, a lot of people learn very technical and formula based approach which doesn't come in the exam. But if you learn the right approach that are relevant to CAT, there's a higher chance that you can score better. And that is what the focus is. So we look at how to solve faster. So there will be some sums where you look at similar approaches. So we look at is there a different way of solving fast, and so that will give you time to solve more sums. So as I said, two things. One is learning the right approach. We hope the right sum will help you to solve a few more sums as such, and obviously to solve the existing sum faster. That will help you to save time. Two approaches and two focus. We'll be taking the the easy sums and the moderate sums. That will help you, but the focus is on approaches. So we don't expect you to solve difficult sums, and that is not the focus of this workshop. It will be conducted 5 sessions of 1.5 hours each, 2 batches weekday and weekend. You can pick up any of the 2 batches if you want to join. So there is a schedule, tentative schedule for the batches is given to you. You can look at the approach and solve. Fees is 1200. If you're also joining the DILR workshop, the fees will be 2200. You can contact and enroll. You can go to prep.patrick100.com and enroll, or contact us as 9821314788 or email, and we'll get back to you on this. Hope that helps. Thank you.